My name's Karen Lulakis, and I fancy myself to be a pretty darn good cook. But I learned this week about the use of herbs and onions and olive oil to enhance what I've been doing at home. So I'm looking forward so much to going home and using the recipes that I got from Diana this week and cooking them for my friends and family. The other thing I'd like to say about this experience as a whole is you might think about, oh, I'm in a cooking class for 5 days, and what else am I going to do? And you're tired when you leave the cooking class, I will tell you that much. And you've eaten a huge lunch, which is delicious, but you're just a little bit tired. But Diane added short visits, trips to a beekeeping, to a goat herd, so we could milk the goats. And then we made cheese. I'm not sure I'm going to make cheese again when I go home, but I can always say, I made cheese. And these little trips and little experiences so enhance the cooking class. If you're even thinking about doing it, by all means, do it. This was so much fun.